practicing gastroenterologist from Ahilya-Nagar, Maharashtra. I have a 60-bedded hospital, Galaxy Hospital in Ahilya-Nagar, which caters to all GI-related diseases. I have endoscopy setup, gastroscopy, colonoscopy, ERCP, and operation theatre where we operate open laparoscopic and oncosurgeries. I wanted to start anorectal department in my hospital. So while searching on the net, I got to know about Rana Hospital in Chiran in Fatehgarh Sahib district of Punjab. I contacted Mr. Karan and we planned for a 10-day course here under the guidance of Dr. Hitendra Suri, who is the owner of this hospital. I am in Chiran since last 10 days and I have seen his modalities of treatment in cases of piles, fistula and fissure. I was always worried about the pain the patient was suffering after the surgery, and but I have seen these patients post-operatively in this setup were very happy. There was very much less pain or no pain post-operatively. So the techniques which Dr. Hitendra Suri uses are very useful for the patient. The staff in this hospital is very much trained and they are very cooperative and explain the procedure and post-procedure to the patient in a very good manner. I am happy that I came to this center for the training and knowing the modalities of treatment of piles, fissure and fistula. As the tagline of this hospital goes, come with piles and go with smiles, is very much applicable to this center. I would definitely recommend patients for the treatment of piles, fissure and fistula to come to this hospital and have smiles while going to your home.